Morning everybody. Oh, bit of a late workshop Wednesday. I know it's Thursday, but well, I'll post you that Datsun, didn't I? Yesterday, bit of something for you to see. So, but I'm gonna have a show you around workshop because I've had to move around. There's like been plus I've had to do a repair on floor, a bit of painting. But that won't going off. It's been a bit bedlam. My phone packed up. I had that repaired. They did me that. I think it was last week. Then it's been playing up again. Anyhow, looks like they've resolved it, but I've got to let my phone run down or something to zero. So I'll do a couple of videos, knock some power out of the battery, and then it's apparently to reset. Well, they know what they're on about, so I've left it with them. But that's that anyway. But so we've had to move around. Obviously, big Zodiac's come up here. Some of you have probably never seen this side actually at car. I mean, it frees a lot of space up in corner, and Jensen's gone over there. I mean, TR's over that side and Anglia's here. We've also got a bit of progress on Anglia because guy who passed on, his sister's been in touch with me, so we've got looks like we know we're going that. I think one of his friends having it, so luckily, well, we'll see because obviously it's all probate, etc. But looks like somebody's having it and looks like we will actually probably be finishing it, but we haven't got 100% on it yet, but let's hope so, and then that's another cracking thing that'll have been a lot of time and effort's gone into that'll be put back on road. So that's here for fabbing now, because fabbing's going to stop in this end and build-up stuff's going to stop in that end. I mean, parts are becoming all over. I mean, that's obviously 2.8 cars, they're all done and dusted in there waiting for the. I've got guarantees I'm getting pipe this morning. There were a one-off pipe that I couldn't get. Anyhow, he's done me a full set now. It's having a full set on it, so. They're on my way. He says to me, I think it was Monday I asked him for them all, and can't remember anyway. It might have been Monday, Tuesday. But anyhow, he says they should land today without fail, so that's that. So that's that out of the way. All this is for rebuilding heater on vitamin C on Reliant. So, I mean, I've even got a 1-speed motor. So, proper thing that should go into it. I've had to use a multi-minor one, they're slightly different heater valve. I've got some, that's pipe, these are things that I'll adapt to heater box, to make heater box ready, but you'll see that, I'll do a video on that, and then that's resolved. I mean, but that's slightly different, that stands up ways instead of sideways, but there's a room under the bonnet. But I've got some clips and all that come, this was pretty, I was quite impressed with this. I ordered them he's a Reliant guy, he's on eBay, and I ordered these clips, and I think I ordered them at 4:10. And they came next day on eBay. I was like amazed. It's 12 heater boxes, and I mean, this is part of farming, obviously, all that. So, but you'll see that get together. You're going to see Jag get together. Well, I'm hoping so. I'm hoping we should have Jag out in his air next week. And then, I mean, blasting's full. We've even got an under 90. We've got all frame in there, so there's plenty kicking off in that side. As you saw yesterday, I did a bit of repair. Another thing for some of you, I mean, I put this advert in on back page at Classic and Veteran. I always have this ad, I have it every year, full back page, but what I've done with these, if you look me up AMW Restorations Limited, I've now got like what they call I think they call it a web page or something, so there's a bit more write-up about it, there's more photos appear on stuff like that, so if any is interested in that, I'm just trying to run you around what's going off, but I'll grab camera and I'll let you see what's happening. It's like I said, Jensen's down your side now, and then that's on build-up. I mean, we've got all sorts of bits for that, so that we can actually progress on that. But my main goal was really, I mean, I had this terrible trench like it looked down here. They were like, it must have been an old wall, and it's been like that for ages. I've been struggling to skate cars about. Well, I filled it all up. And now it's got a coat of paint, and I mean, I've gone over it with one at trolleys, but I'll touch it up tomorrow because I'm not sure, and then it's got like tonight, and then it's got like extra day to dry off because it's took a bit of drying to be honest. But come on, let's drag you around anyway. So Zodi's over here now. All ready to get tidied up. I mean, I've got to finish floor pans and stuff and go around windows, but I can get round the thing now. I can drag it across workshop, and then that's it. Anglia's just tucked up in that corner. This is the floor repair I've done. that I wheeled on. Like I say, I'll touch that in, but it's had a right trench here, and it was like, you just couldn't get skates over it, but it's sorted now. So, and obviously, well, everything else is pretty, I mean, you've probably never seen this side, but there was quite a lot of work done here on inner wing, all jacking point were done, same back there, that were massively all gone corner, had to rebuild corner, had to rebuild roof corner, it's had a back valance. I don't know if you've seen all that sort of stuff. I've got to make some trims around it, boot area where the rotator seal. So, but you'll be seeing all that. TR4's over here, because engine. So, we've got engine to do. We've also engine to do on Ely. And we've also Essex that's hiding under carpet here to do. So, beauty of this is I'll be able to do it. It's cooling down now. Put heater on for a bit, get temperature up, a bit nicer working environment, and I'll build you 3 engines and you can see what's going on. So, this is change we've got anyway. It still feels a bit tacky now at floor, but saying I said, Ely's here. Build up area. So I might even turn them round so both cars are opposite way on in workshop that way. But I haven't made my mind up yet. But finish on it. Well, it's shrunk paint now. It's shrunk because, I mean, if you look, I always save something. What's left in a cup there, if you look at that, if I check it about, it pulls off. So it's shrunk now. It's done it's cured now, so we can do what we want. I mean, it's full of parts to go in. Got some bits and pieces, interesting bits to still fab up for you, so which will be quite interesting. And these are all seals, lights, bolts full of stuff that pre-finished, stuff that's ready to go on. I've just headlamp shrouds to paint, which I do after because I want to make sure they're 120% on fit. So. Right, that's really where we're going. So it's a bit of a late workshop Wednesday, and you've seen a few changes, what's going off. So now it'll just be a case of me doing you some videos. But to be honest with you, I mean, I didn't feel right good the other day because I had a flu jab on Monday and got it knocked me badly Tuesday. I had to go to bed about 5:30 at night. So, but that's enough of me going on. That's a look round for you. That's what's happening. That's what's not happening. And keep your videos coming, so if you keep tuning in, keep giving me likes if you like them, subscribe to the channel you want to see more of them, and pass a comment on out and I'll come back to you. So, thanks for watching everybody, and there's a look round changes I've been making. Cheers.